Oh, behave.
Black carpet, I'm in trouble. Black carpet, I see trouble. Man, 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 I'm not gonna get home.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Black carpet, I'm in trouble. I'm so good. You get trouble. Oh, now I'm not gonna get home.
And with that, it's time to wrap it up and sign off. All our episodes are on Facebook, so drop us a line and like, tag, love, and share the heck out of them. We love to hear from you, and every little bit keeps us going. Want even more life and style inspiration? Well, head over to our digital platform, forward40.com. Make sure to enter your name, email address, and hit the subscribe button to become a Forward 40 member, where you'll get instant access to the longer versions of all the videos we don't post on Forward 40 TV. Plus, you'll get exclusive content, giveaways, and personal updates from me that I really don't share anywhere else. We will be back next week, next Sunday, right here. See you then. Bye. I love you all.